Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without pressing subscribe button and the notification. So you notify next time I drop the video. So please like. So already data updated you today's date. What Nabi said about the DDC star Nadet Longwan? Nazrit Nabi said. It's not something that started because Longwane has scored 2 goals. It's been a process, and we want to go through the process. Not to get emotionally because someone scored 2 goals in a friendly game, and then suddenly he can play in a big club like Kaizer Chiefs. Explained in our best the time. It is a process, and within those 3 dates will be invited. The one who is going to perform is going to be given a chance to stay and to play with the first team. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification. So, you notify next time I drop the video. And please, rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.